I'd make a sequel. Let's make a sequel.
And given that they recently announced GTA 6,
Yeah, but they haven't shown anything. They still haven't shown anything from
There are
expanded and
rumors.
enhanced.
Right.
There's no, and
there are rumors about what's in GTA 6 that it's going to be like a kind of drug running game where you're like going between, I think it's Miami and South America, and that you can play in both, or whatever the Rockstar equivalent of Miami is. I forget. But that you can play
Vice City.
Is it Vice City? What are you doing?
Going backwards.
Trying to get around this car.
Except he's waiting at a red light.
Right.
I don't know what the hell she thought she was doing.
This is not a one-way.